Come first in your life, put up your hand them. If God come first in your life right now, put up your hand if you're proud of yourself and all your self-respect. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Everybody here, we're sorry right now. And I want to hear you. I want to hear you. What's the beat drop? Crazy. We are stopping. We are stopping. And she live to see one more Denise. Big up yourself. Happy birthday. Father God blessing. One more blessing. Don't forget to keep donating, alright? Don't forget to donate. Okay. A rug, a kerchief, something. Everybody should be waving something right now. Everybody should be waving something right now. We above the grasses right now. Get mad now. We above the grasses right now.
When I free. Put it on the market, some of them in the race. You know them I'm a say so food from the plate, but I got no one devil that help me them straight. I am blessed every day of my life. I am blessed when I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest. Every day of my life I am blessed. So let's be up, whatever me.
We're parties for the cost down, ladies and gentlemen. We don't have no time for people if them are there with carelessness, alright? We can't tell us something.
You are high glass, me not time for you. Hold on, me
No
not
time for high glass.
grassy, me not time for you. Me not time for you, chase time that I waste time. Mind for the money and money for the money. Mind for the money and money for the money. Make money in your meds and enough money. So only 30 million for you. So I don't need to be one. So look my father don't be in no one like me like phony. And when we go can't call me mad. We just start sweaty and lonely. Not even me get only.
I wish my friend alive.
Let me tell you.
You try to bring me down, you need to just the first bit. Me and you can't go easy sometimes.
She was a bum. Don't worry about it, Gawi. Like them on the dance and get crowd full.
You guys should be put them somewhere else tonight, but they take time out for their song. You know why? Ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate the fact that you took time out of your busy schedule to be with Jackson Foundation tonight to support our worthy cause. Hey, about the people that are the Barnland, whether or not you come from Jamaica, that we appreciate you, we love you, and we appreciate you. Real 24/7. Real. Never settle. Really, good. my life.